like CAPCUT.
First, you need to open the CAPCUT app and set a new project. And download this TikTok video. So I choose Niana Guerrero TikTok video. This one. So this one, yeah. First, you need to split it up to know where you can add the overlay. So next one is add overlay, and the same video, adjust the video. You need to split it up and delete the first video. So open the overlay video and you need to remove the background. So I already removed the background, and we need to copy one video. So we need a 2 overlay video of this one. So here it is. After that, we need to click the first overlay video and select this keyframe and adjust it slowly to the right one. Same to the second overlay video, and we need to adjust. We need to be exact to the first overlay video. So adjust. So there it is. After that, we need to move forward. We need to crop into 12.4. All the overlay video. And we need to add another one keyframe until to the last one. She makes me happy. Okay, so we need to move it back to the original one. Same to the second overlay video. Need to add a keyframe, and to the last we need to back to the original one. After that, we need to add an effect. So I choose, we need to go to the mood. Oops. Where is and we need to add the spark. Need to add the spark. Need to copy until to the end of the video. We need to delete this ending watermark. After that, add on the effect. And we need to choose the color negative, or we need to color negative, and we need to click the object and click the first overlay, and we need to up until to the end, and we need to copy and move to the third layer until to the end of the video, and same to the first. We need to click the object and click the second overlay. So yeah, and we can add some other effect for the first. So yeah, that's all, and you can play it. And after that, we need to export it now. After I export, back to the CAPCUT tab and set a new project and open the exported one. So there it is. We need to adjust it more closer, the video, like that. So before that, we need to split it up and So we're done. We need to play it again. Need to do it the end. And that's all. We need to export it again. So yeah. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video, and please do like and comment for any suggestion or any tutorial that you want, and also please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to be updated for the new videos, tutorial and vlogs. Bye, see you in my next vlog. Love you.